Hi, welcome to the Vibe On-Prem video series. In this video we want to talk about how to configure a form and workflow so that it will work in one of your Vibe folders. So you're going to be creating custom forms and workflows and you need to be able to use them. So to do that we need to create a folder, workspace, new folder, and we need to name that folder. In this case we're going to name it Employee Survey. And we could choose any of the default folder types. We're going to go ahead and pick surveys. It's not going to matter a whole lot because we're going to change the form that folder is using. So now we have our employee survey folder. We're going to go to that folder, and up on the menu bar we're going to select Folder, Configure. Now configure has a number of options. We can give a shortened URL for this page. We can change the allowed view in the folder if we want to view surveys as a discussion or on a calendar or as tasks or in a wiki. But in this case all we want to do is change the entry type or the form that it's using. So we'll take off survey and we'll put on our employee survey. And we also want to change the workflow. Right now there's no workflow being used in the folder, and we want to allow the new workflow that we've created. So we'll click Apply. So now our folder is allowing the employee survey as the new form and new workflow as an allowed workflow. But so that it starts automatically, we need to associate the new workflow with the employee survey form, and that happens right here in this workflow association box. So it tells us the allowed entries, employee survey, and we are going to tell it what workflow we want it to start when we create new forms. In this case, new workflow. And we select Apply again. So we'll close that, and now we have a new employee survey instead of a new survey. And we're in our employee survey folder. When we click New Employee Survey, it opens up a blank form.